How you guys doing today? In this video, you're going to learn 2 money making ideas you can start today so you can start earning some passive income.
In this video, we will discuss 2 money making ideas that you can implement right away to generate passive income. Idea number 1. Become an Amazon seller. Selling on Amazon provides a tremendous and lucrative opportunity, whether you want to start a profitable side business or you're ready to become your own boss. However, contrary to what some online marketers would have you believe, it is not a simple money-making system. To be profitable, you need a decent budget, a lot of hard work, a lot of research, and some perseverance. In reality, many people who begin their Amazon journey give up before they have a chance to succeed. However, if you work hard and do your research, you can greatly improve your chances of starting and growing a successful business. We'll go over how to become an Amazon seller step by step in this video. 1. Identify an Amazon product to sell. The first thing you need to do is decide what you want to sell. One of the most important tasks in this process is the research you conduct at this early stage. Your project's success or failure will be determined by the data you collect and the product choices you make based on that data. Finding good opportunities entails far more than simply replicating the success of a popular product or competing against products with mediocre Amazon product pages. Before making a decision, you should properly investigate the products, competition, keywords, and market trends. When looking for products, you should look for the following. 1. Entry barrier. How easy will it be to enter a market and compete with existing brands? If there are already a number of established, successful brands with high sales and a large number of positive customer reviews, your chances of success are slim. A low competition, high demand market is ideal for new sellers. 2. Potential revenue and profit. How much money can you make with this product? Profit is the ultimate indicator of how well a business is doing, and each business will have different goals. To accurately predict revenue, remember to look at market averages rather than a few outliers. Remember that you will incur costs such as manufacturing, shipping, and Amazon fees. 3. Monthly sales. How many units are sold in a given month? To understand how many products you need to order from the manufacturer, which is usually in China, resulting in longer shipping times, you must first understand how much demand for this product currently exists on Amazon. Consider how many units are sold each month for products that appear on the first few pages for the product's main keywords, keeping in mind that you'll most likely need to order at least 2 months' worth up front. 4. Market trends. How does this product perform over the course of the year? Certain markets are seasonal, with sales increasing at certain times of the year due to holidays or seasonal changes. You'll need to anticipate these trends for inventory purposes. Idea number 2. Become an eBay seller. Understand how to price your item before posting it on eBay. One of the most common mistakes new sellers make is focusing on retail value, active eBay listings, or what they paid for an item recently or several years ago. Because eBay is its own world, you will be extremely disappointed if you expect to sell items at retail prices. An item on eBay is only worth what someone is willing to pay for it, as is the nature of an auction. Look at completed listings, which show historical sales data, to find out what eBay buyers have already paid for items similar to yours. It works similarly to real estate in that a realtor prices a home based on what similar homes have sold for rather than what someone is asking. This video shows how to collect price data from eBay's completed listings filter. Thousands of items, ranging from paper clips to automobiles, can be found in the average American home. You already have a lot of merchandise to sell without having to buy anything. You just don't know which of your possessions are worth anything on eBay. Begin going through your house room by room, looking up items on completed listings. Look everything up, even if you don't think it's important. Some examples of items with value on eBay but that don't appear to sell for much include: 1. Pots and pans lids. 2. Perfume bottles that are no longer in use. 3. Craft supplies of any kind. 4. Shattered jewelry and watches. 5. Hosiery. 6. Cosmetics, razors, and batteries that have not been opened. 7. Anything new in the package. 8. Printer cartridges that have run out of ink. 9. School materials. Choose items with a selling price of less than $50. You don't want to be a target for a potential scam if you're a new seller. Furthermore, learning while selling low-cost items will relieve stress. Because you'll be learning how to ship, respond to customer inquiries, and navigate your seller dashboard, it's best to start with low-cost items. Additionally, choose items that are simple to ship. Breakables, Very large items, and items with multiple pieces should be avoided. Keep things simple at first as you learn.
I hope you guys found value from this video. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button to show your appreciation. Also hit the subscribe button so that you can stay updated with new video contents that can change your life. My name is Shaun Randall. Pleasure to be in front of you guys here. Take care.